For any homework-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@databasehomeworkhelp.com or reach us at https://www.databasehomeworkhelp.com. Q1. Identify the correct statements from the following. A. The overall physical structure of the database is called physical schema. B. The actual content of the database at a particular point in time is called an instance. C. Data dictionary does not contain any database schema. D. Physical schema describes how data is stored in the database and the relationships among the data. Answer A, B, Q2. Consider the following instance. ML database model accuracy dataset training data M198 gives 11280 M2 100 dB 29650 M2 null DC 148 M2 100 gives 11,280 cubic meters 45 DC 148. Databasehomeworkhelp.com. Identify the correct representation of ML database schema. A. ML database, model, accuracy, dataset, training data. B. ML database, model, accuracy, dataset, training data. C. ML database, model, accuracy, dataset, training data. D. ML database, model, accuracy, dataset, training data. Answer A. Q3. Identify the incorrect statements. A. A superkey is a set of one or more attributes that, taken collectively, allows us to uniquely identify an entity in the entity set. B. A proper subset of a candidate key is called a superkey. C. The minimal set of attributes that allows us to uniquely identify an entity in the entity set is called a candidate key. D. A proper subset of a superkey is not always a candidate key. Answer B. Q4. Consider two relations below. The primary keys are underlined. Identify all possible foreign keys from the options. Databasehomeworkhelp.com. Employee, EMPID, INAME, salary, where EMPID is of type integer, INAME is of type string, and salary is of type decimal number. Project, EMPID, number, where EMPID is of type integer, and number is of type string. A. INAME B, EMPID C, number D, EMPID, number. Answer B. Q5. Consider the following instance of ImageRec, SI, depth image, chord 1, chord 2. SI depth image, chord 1, chord 2 1 256 1 1 2 256 1 2 3 194 6 6 8 126 6 6. Databasehomeworkhelp.com. Which of the following is a secondary key in ImageRec? A. SI, depth image, B. Chord 1, chord 2, C. Chord 2, depth image, D. Chord 1, depth image. Answer C. Q6. Consider the following instances. Game 1. Player score. P1 P1 P1. P2 20 50 80 90. Game 1. Gamer attempt. P1 P2 P3 1 2 6. How many tuples will be selected by OPLER equals gamer? Game 1 x Game 2? A. 3B, 4C, 8D, 9 Databasehomeworkhelp.com. Answer B. Q7. Consider the two tables given below. Identify the correct statement from the following. A. Cartesian product of student and teacher has 6 tuples. B. Cartesian product of student and teacher is not possible. C. There will be 3 tuples in the result of the natural join between student and teacher. D. Natural join between student and teacher is not possible. Answer D. Student Role Name Course 101 Shima French 112 Mala English 213 Sita French. Teacher FIDF Name F Course 152 Sunita Hindi 613 Abir English 275 Darshik French. Database homeworkhelp.com. Q8. Consider the following table. A2. Branch equals address. A. Salary 10,000. Employee details. B2. Branch equals address. V. Salary 10,000. Employee details. C.O. Branch equals address. A. Salary 10,000. Employee details. D. Branch equals address. V. Salary 10,000. Employee details. Answer C. Databasehomeworkhelp.com. Q9. Consider the following table. A. RR2B, R2RC, RUR2, N, RR2, D, RR2, U, R2R. Answer is C. Databasehomeworkhelp.com. Q10. Which of the following can be a candidate key for the following instance? Employee details EMP name branch address salary Raja Kolkata 10,000 Priyanka Mumbai Hyderabad 12,000 Raja Bangalore Kolkata 10,000 Rumki Hyderabad 20,000 Sumit Hyderabad Bangalore 10,000 Sandeep Mumbai 15,000. A. EMP name. B. Branch. C. EMP name. Address. D. EMP name. Branch. Answer D. Databasehomeworkhelp.com.